Mastering the verbal hook. Captivate your audience in seconds. First off is the power of the verbal hook. Let's talk about why this matters. In short-form video, your first impression is everything. You have mere seconds to grab attention. A powerful verbal hook is your single best tool for immediate engagement. We're all fighting scroll fatigue. Viewers are bombarded with content. A compelling hook is what cuts through that noise and stops the thumb from scrolling. Think of your verbal hook as your opening handshake. It's a succinct, direct way to look your viewer in the eye and tell them, this is worth your time. Next, let's look at the anatomy of a perfect hook. Every great hook is built on 3 pillars. First, curiosity. A great hook ignites a question. It makes viewers need to know more without giving away the payoff. Make them wonder. Second, context. Quickly frame what the video is about. Ground your viewer. Let them understand the topic at a glance. Third, clarity. Communicate with crystal clarity. Use simple, straightforward language. Ensure everyone gets the message immediately. Curiosity, context, clarity. Master these 3, and you master the hook. Now we'll examine crafting attention-grabbing hooks. Let's break down some proven types. The conversation starter hook. This sparks curiosity through a conversational tone. Pose a question. Make a relatable statement. It invites interaction and feels like a one-on-one chat. But often, this type needs a visual context hook, supporting text on screen or a dynamic scene, to prevent confusion and reinforce exactly what's happening. Then there's the unexpected statement hook. This is shock and awe. Use a surprising declaration to pique interest. The job is done the moment you lock in that curiosity, leaving the viewer eager to explore the situation you've just described. And we cannot forget the urgency hook. Time is of the essence. Highlight the importance of immediate attention, not with clickbait, but with genuine intrigue. Which leads to a critical rule. Don't waste a second. Start talking in the very first millisecond. Dead air is a watch time killer. You should use hook writing exercises and best practices to develop and improve your craft. Your new exercise, the 10 hook method. For a single video idea, write 10 unique variations. Experiment with length. 4 to 5 seconds is the sweet spot. Make each one different. This practice is how you unveil that perfect, compelling opener no one can scroll past. Remember the voiceover advantage. You don't need to show your face. A compelling voiceover works perfectly. Master your narration, clear pronunciation, engaging tone, strategic pauses. And know when to use text hooks. Use them for visual reinforcement. They provide essential context, prevent confusion, and complement your verbal hook. Place them strategically to enhance understanding. Lastly, here are some common pitfalls to avoid. Avoid dead air. Silence at the start is the silent killer. Engage immediately from the first millisecond. Avoid confusing complexity. Simplicity rules. Use clear, universal language. Aim for broad appeal. And never overpromise and underdeliver. Your hook must accurately reflect your content. Manage expectations. Building trust by delivering on your hook's promise is essential for long-term success. We conclude by recalling the keys to viral success: curiosity, context, clarity. Let these 3 principles guide every hook you craft. Harness them to transform passive scrollers into an engaged audience. Embrace the challenge of crafting these compelling openers. Prepare to watch your content rise above the noise, capture attention, and connect with the masses. That is the art of the verbal hook. Now go create.